Guys, we are on a serious mission to make sure that we are bringing in extra money into our households. And everybody that I see is talking about digital products. However, I want to talk to you about actual tangible products. Now, those tangible products can be t shirts, bags, aprons, cups, any of those things. It can have your logo on it, they can have a saying, they can have picture, anything that you want on it, and you can make money without actually having the inventory at your home or at your business office or anything like that. So I want to go a little bit more in depth about that, and I am going to show you exactly what you need to do to first get your logo made or your saying or your picture put together. Then we're going to go to the sites where you can actually sell these products for free, nothing out your pocket. And then we're going to talk about your advertising and how you can get your name out there and so that people will know about your product and exactly what you're selling.
Okay, so right now we are looking at my Canva account. And like I said, in Canva, you can make all of your different designs and everything for free. Now, granted, these that have the little crown on them, you would need to have a pro or a professional account. I have that. It is $12.99 a month right now. If you are interested in getting that, go right ahead and click the link down in the description box and you can join Canva. However, you can also join it for free. And with the free account, you can get certain designs. There's a lot of designs that you can get for free. You can actually go over here and just look at all of the different themes that they have and scroll down. You see all the ones that don't have the little crown, those are free. So let's just keep it simple. Oh, this one has a crown, but this one doesn't. But let's just keep it simple and go to the one that's here at the top. And I like this one because it has a little coffee and information there. And so we're going to click on it. And when you click on it, you will be led to a page that looks like this one. So from there, from this page, you're going to click customize this template. It's going to give you want to make the design your own. So you see here how I already changed the color font to red. I also added a little coffee thing to the bottom. And then from there, you would download this to your computer or whatever you're using. So let me skip this down. Sorry, you guys. Okay, you would download this to your computer and you go here, download it, and you're going to download it as a transparent background because it's for a t-shirt as a PNG, and then this will come up for you to download it onto your computer. Once you download it onto your computer and save it into your files, you'll have it available for you to use on any of the platforms that I am discussing with you in this video. All right, so now we are on the sites that are going to allow you to design your product. Okay, so, and it's like a drop shipping type of situation. So, one of them that people sleep on a lot is Amazon Merch on Demand. And on Amazon Merch on Demand, you can go here, you can upload your artwork that you just make over on Canva, set a listing price, they print what you sell, and then they ship it to the customer, and then you earn your monthly royalties. This one is so simple. I didn't talk about this before, but you don't only have to sell t-shirts. Let me scroll down. There's other things that you can sell. There are cups, there's mugs, there's bags, all type of things that you can sell on Amazon merch. And you, of course, they take an amount, a percentage of what you sell, and then they give you the rest. Now let's go to Teespring, or Spring, which is called now. And on Spring, you can create your items the way you want to. So, again, this is one that my son uses, and he has uploaded a bazillion different designs, and one of them, and some of them you can see on my YouTube channel. But here is where you can create to your heart's content. Like, they have these phone cases, they have pillows, bags, sheets, socks, workout pants, all types of things that you can use to put your logo on or to just design the shirt. And you can actually sell with a link from Teespring. You don't have to, or Spring, you don't have to use a hosting site. So then let's look at Printify, because Printify is also a drop shipping. So let's look at Printify, because Printify is also like a drop shipping. And as you can see, they let you turn your words and put them on the products. They have custom products. You start for free. And then with Printify, you can have your merchandise connect with all of these stores. Walmart, you can sell through your Wix, Etsy, your Squarespace, all of these. But the free one, of course, is Etsy. So I'm always going to opt for free. And then you can also hook your Printify up with Gumroad. And then last but not least, we're going to look at Printful. Printful is also a on-demand store. Drop shipping, you can get your designs up on Printful. Printful works with Etsy. It also works with these other companies, but of course I'm always going to opt for the free. It also works with your Amazon merch. So your designs that you make in Printful, you can connect to your Amazon merch store, and then they can um, deliver them to your customer, or you can do it directly on Amazon merch. So these are all of the different ways that you can get your products out there for free and start earning money today. Okay, so here we are in my Etsy. Well, it is mine, but here we are in the Etsy store, or on the Etsy platform. And remember that picture we saw over on Canva? Yeah, this is similar, and looks like this person made some changes to it. You can look at the different colors that they have. So this is how you can display your t-shirts on Etsy. And if I didn't tell you, in Canva, there are t shirt mock ups. Okay. So a mock up is basically something like this, just showing your t shirt in different uh, places with your design on it. So you can get these mock-ups from Canva, download them, upload them to Etsy to market your products. So this person is selling this shirt for 1024 plus. They're going to have all of the color options available, and they have all of the different prices. So you see, as they go up, or as the sizes go up, the prices change. The price is because there's a toddler version for 1024. So the adult version is actually 1704, larger size 1864. This person has sold a lot of different types of shirts, and they are making, basically, I don't know how much they're making, but they're a seller, and they have 28,000 sales. Okay, so my point is, you can take your product from Printful, send it on over to Etsy, make a few marketing things on Etsy, and sell your t-shirts, and basically you haven't paid any money out of your pocket up front. You've only had money taken out on the back end by Etsy for maybe your ads and also for the selling of the actual product. Okay, the other site we're going to look at is Gumroad. These are two sites where you can sell your actual product. They link up with these other companies. Gumroad links up with Printify, and this is my actual Gumroad account. So I don't want to go too much into it, but I was going to show you the pricing that they have. So if you go into the pricing section, you can see that you will pay 10% of what you make. So if you make um, $10, 10% of $10 is $1. And that's what you're going to pay per t-shirt that you sell. So I don't know how much you're going to sell your t-shirts for, what your pricing would be, but you're basically going to pay that on every t-shirt. In my opinion, that's a good deal, mainly because you're not coming, like I said, you're not coming out of pocket anything up front. You're making your design on Canva for free. Then you're taking that design and either putting it through Printify and sending it over to Gumroad. Gumroad's going to sell it. You're going to sell it through Gumroad. Use your link, promote it however you're going to promote it. And then you're going to pay, or Gumroad's going to sell it. And then Gumroad's going to get 10% of your sale. The same thing you're going to do with your Etsy account or the Amazon merch account or even the Teespring account. You're not coming out of pocket up front. And so for me, that is a win-win situation. What do you guys think?
Okay, now that we have looked at all of the ways that you can sell your products, now we're going to talk about how you can market them and get them out there so that people are willing to buy them. So, first, I would suggest starting way before you decide to put your product out there by just putting things on your Instagram, Facebook feed, Pinterest, TikTok, whatever you have, whatever social media platform you use, start putting little things on there like, hey, talking about maybe candles. I'm going to use candles as an example. So, say you are going to talk about candles, or your shirt at the end of the day is going to be about candles, right? So, what you can do on your social media pages is everywhere you can put something about candles. We love candles, candle love, candle life, candles are life, things like that. And then maybe you can sponsor or show some people's candle makers on your page, or on your or on your channel here on YouTube, or even in your groups. You can start talking about candles and seeing who's interested in candles, and maybe seeing if there's a group of people that gravitate towards candles. Okay, now once you have everything out there and you have promoted candles and you started talking about it and you got interest, then this is the perfect time for you to start talking about your t-shirt. Now you have your t-shirt that says, I love candles, right? So then you're going to start talking about your t-shirts or your mugs or your bags or whatever it is that you're going to be selling that says, I love candles. And you're going to start promoting that. You're going to promote it everywhere. Like I said, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, TikTok. If you have Twitter, if you're on here on YouTube, if you're in LinkedIn, wherever you can, you're going to talk about I love candle t-shirts, mugs, aprons, whatever, and you're going to start getting that following because you have already talked about candles previously to your launch of your product, right? Okay, now once you launch your product, maybe you can do a freebie. Maybe you can say, if you, you know, want to, if you send me your email, I'm just giving an example. Send me your email, you can get this candle for free. Maybe you can team up with a candle maker. You can get this candle for free. Once they get that candle for free, now you have their email address. Now you can do an email marketing. So then you can have this email list of people, and you can start sending them promotions about your t-shirts or your cups. Another way you can do it, maybe you don't want to give away free candles, maybe you want to give away a list of candle makers or candle companies or companies that have special discounts or whatever, that or special candle people that you support. And this is a list that you send out, and there can be like a list of soy candle makers or a list of candle makers that only use organic products or whatever the case may be. So you send that out, and once you send that out, they get that, and then they're on your email list. Now you're able to email them information about your t-shirts, your cups, your mugs, your aprons that you have going on. Another way that you can market your product is by doing something like a t-shirt of the month club, where every month you have a different t-shirt that you send out for a certain fee. Say you charge $19.99 a month, and each month they get a new t-shirt and maybe a notebook or t-shirt and a hat. I don't know what you're going to send with the t-shirt, but there's something that you can do to get that promotion going, and then also get a constant following that will keep on coming back to you and purchasing different t-shirts from your company. So hopefully this information has helped you. If it has, go ahead and click the like button below. And if you have any questions or comments, make sure that you put those in the comment section. I have linked all of the places that I have talked about here in the video in the description box for you. So Canva, Etsy, Teespring, Spreadshirt, Printify, Printful, all the places that I talked about in this video. I went ahead and linked those in the description box for you. Click on them, figure out if that's something that you want to do. And I hope to see you next time. Thanks for joining me. Have a good one. Bye.